Alright guys, welcome back to Depth. I believe I'm playing as a shark this time. I'm not sure what the game mode is. I'm pretty sure it's blood and gold. Alright. I'm hosting my own lobby, so... Alright. Durability, speed... Kinda like the tiger. Can I do different skins? I probably can, but I don't know how. Continue. Oh, cool. Greater range of sonar. Yes, I want that. Ready up. Alright. Looking forward to the match. Here we go. Oh, look, little snacks. Little snacks are being dropped in the water for us. That's so yummy. Look at the yummy snacks. There's 4 of them. I'm gonna have so much damn fun. This is my first time as a shark, so I'm about to have a shit ton of fun. Where's my buddy at? Oh, I see him. Alright. How do I lunge? What's lunge? Shit, I don't know what lunge is. Oh, that's lunge. Okay. Trying to figure it out. I don't know what I'm doing. Whee! Alright, we gotta get over to him. Gotta go through this, just cause why not? How do we get to them? Ah, here we go. Where's my tiger? There we go. Ah! Ah! Oh, I didn't know I had somebody in my mouth. I don't know. Respawn. Alright. I don't know how to swim faster. I'm just gonna swim next to my buddy. Alright, they'll be in here again. Where'd my tiger buddy go? Where's my buddy? There you are. Alright. Oh, I missed! Oh, they killed me in like 2 seconds! That's amazing! Oh! You little poops! Respawn. Oh my god, I suck as a shark. I need to go back to being a diver. There's seriously no faster way to go. I can't. Oh, that's how you swim faster. Oh, okay. I'm learning. Don't get mad. Where are the other divers? There they are. Oh, killed me. Darn it. Alright, what can I upgrade? Sail. Can I evolve to this? No, I can't. Alright, we're just gonna respawn then. Swim faster! Wait for me, buddy! There I am. Come here! Oh, I missed! No! Oh my god! Where are they? Where are they? There they are. Oh, I suck! I can't grab any of these people. Come here. No! Yummy! Oh, they got me! Alright, can I level up? Yes, I can. Alright, respawn. Come here, yummy little humans! I want a snack. I'm gonna go over this. I think? Where are you guys? Come here! Wait, I know where they are. How do I get to them? There's gotta be a hole or something somewhere that tells me how to get out. How do I get to them? it over here somewhere? Ah, here we go. There we go. Come here! Oh, I'm gonna die, I'm gonna die, I'm gonna die. Get me out of here. Ah, get me out. Oh, out! Oh, he's trying to get out. I suck. Oh, I'm a horrible shark. Oh. I thought being a shark would be fun. Dying in rapid succession. Okay. Oh, I missed. God dang it. Get me out of here. I don't know where I'm at. Yeah, no. Oh my god. Get me out of here. Look, a seal. Oh, I missed. I suck. Yeah. There we go. My health has gone back up. Are they on the move? I think they're on the move. Can I get to them? I can. Oh, darn it! Gotta grab him. I'm not anywhere near as fast as I think I am. Respawn. Oh, do you guys happen to be out in the open? No, you don't. It's the breakable. Oh, no, it's not breakable, but I can't go here. Oh, I missed! I suck! Oh! How'd they kill me? You poops! Oh. What can I get? What is this? Ooh, hangry! Respawn. Come here, little snackies! I have hangry now. Come here. Next. Oh, shit. Oh, nope. I'm gonna steal this from you. Oh no, they got me! Oh my god, I'm having so much fun. What's next? Let's get that one on. Move on. I'm gonna hit Steve if I can. Oh, they're killing me really fast. Respawn. Why am I way up here? Got that here. Alright, we need to start killing Steve. Oh, I couldn't get away. I whacked Steve though. Darn it. Respawn. I think they're about done, that's an issue. So I need to hit Steve again. Ugh, y'all are under here again where I can't let it get to you very well. Oh, God! Yes! Oh! They got me back! Oh, they only have 4 left. Respawn. Gotta get Steve. I've gotta smack him. Are you guys coming out here by chance? I think you are. Oh, I have somebody. Ah! I didn't realize I had somebody in my mouth. I was hitting Steve. I wasn't paying attention. Alright, no. I still can't do anything yet. Alright. Oop. Gotta hit Steve! Come on. Yeah. Come on. That hurts. Come here. Oh, they only have one respawn. I have the razor. Yes. Respawn. Can I stay? Ah. Oh, it's like super laggy. Oh, we win! I killed Steve! Yay! Kill the player that... Alright, that was fun. I hope you guys enjoyed. Sorry it got kind of laggy in some spots. Till next time, guys. Bye!